All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, to using credit cards from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of neat stuff. Well, cryptocurrency is crashing hard. I mean, it's crash, 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 going down, down, down. You could be optimistic or pessimistic on this, depending on your where you're at. I know when you're looking at your phone, I'm looking at my Doge on Mars, where it's at, and it doesn't look like how good it did a few days ago. Today's subject is going to be ANKR Cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about ANKR. We're going to go to the website. We're going to check everything out. Also, it's down right now a tremendous amount. We're going to go over that. Could be a great discount buy situation. Again, what you have to do is, if you're a long-term investor, not a one-week investor, and you look at projects that you like if you like the ANKR project, you may want to look into this. If you've never got into ANKR cryptocurrency, could be a great time when you see how low it is in the last 7 to 24 hours. All right, also, today being Saturday and tomorrow being Sunday, the NFL playoffs are going on. Tom Brady's going to be on the commercial. He's going to be talking about what he's getting into. He's going to be getting into cryptocurrency. He's going to be getting into doing a trade. My whole point on all this is, over the weekend, more and more people are going to hear about cryptocurrency. More and more people, the people that are going to be doing cryptocurrency, there's a lot of folks that aren't even into crypto yet. Don't worry, the NFL is going to make sure with the TV commercials that FTX and Crypto.com is going to share that with them. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right. And then one other thing, we're going to talk about the most painful day. It's a painful day today in cryptocurrency. How are people feeling on the Twitters and the different things? We're going to go to an article about a very painful day today in cryptocurrency. All right, let's head back over to ANKR. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, ANKR is the 111th cryptocurrency. Take a look at this. Crazy. Down 35% in the last 7 days. It's only 60 cents. In the last 24 hours, just today alone, it's down 21%. Now, mind you, take a look at everything else. KAVA is down 41%. Swingborg is down 17%. Live Pair is down 37%. Right above it, Voyager token is down 29%. Bitcoin Gold is down 26%. So as you can see, this is not an ANKR thing. This is the whole crypto market in general. Clicking it. All right, over here, so this token right here is at 6 cents. ANKR is at 6 cents right this second. It's down 21%. Taking a look in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, it's been kind of going down. Now, what could happen? You got interest rates that are going up. You got COVID going crazy everywhere. You got vaccines. You got people that are unsecure with what's going on. Some people could be taking their money off the table, just completely exiting the crypto market, especially right now when the market is so low. People will stress and they'll just take their money off the table. You may want to remember, crypto's like this. So it's like this. You don't take your money off the table. Again, all our information for educational purposes only. Over here at the Twitter account, ANKR, says right here, which ANKR solution are the ones that you're using the most? Are you using ANKR to build, or are you using ANKR to earn? So you can earn money with ANKR, or you can build. ANKR multi-chain solution is one place to build and earn. So if you want to earn cryptocurrency, you would click right over here with a liquid staking. If you want to build, you would go to ANKR protocol and you would build. Here today or yesterday, build with ANKR, build through ANKR protocol, public RPCs, blockchain analysts, develop tools, node deployment, and API creations. So a lot of stuff going on here with ANKR today. Again, earn with ANKR, earn through liquid staking, parachain liquid crowd loans, and ANKR Boost. Go to ANKR.com to figure all this out. Here you go. So right over here, Meta Prince, brand new reveals right around the corner. Which one will you get? Stay tuned and get ready. All right, so again, ANKR's got a lot of different things. Are you building on ANKR? Are you staking on ANKR and you're making money with staking on ANKR? I mean, there's a lot of good stuff going on. So now we're going to talk about everybody heated up on cryptocurrency, how it's down right now. We're going to go to an article, Everybody's not happy about today. It's a sad day in the market. A lot of things are down 20, 25, 30. Dogecoin on Mars is down 40%, 35% Anchor. I mean, all kinds of stuff. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon. Let's head over to this article. Right here's the article. On the street, it says, it's a painful day. Crypto crashes. Social media. Comments on Twitter and Reddit heat up. The crypto prices continue to tumble. Crypto flameout and nations arrange their reactions on social media Friday, including all kinds of stuff. Bitcoin, the world's most known traded digital token, tumbled following Thursday's rejection to Bitcoin EFT Skybridge. The bearish trend remains intact. Bitcoin has now lost more than 40% of its value since touching 70,000 in November. So this token was at 70,000, and the last we checked, it was 37.9. And actually, that's not true. It ain't 37.9. Look, it's 34.4. So I wanted to do a check. Bitcoin is down 20% in the last 7 days. Holy cow, everybody. All right, so it's not 37, it's 34. It's a painful day to look at the crypto portfolios. It'll all be okay eventually. You know, funny thing about it, it's got this car burning here. This is they're showing your crypto. Oh my gosh. You know, the largest talk about the death cross have come as the prices broke 40K with the nearest levels at 37. We know Bitcoin is at 34 right now. Holy cow. So the point of all this is people are on social media. They're not happy. Things are burning. You just saw the car burning, so I get it. You all kind of need to relax. If you're in cryptocurrency, remember we told you 5-6 months ago, strap in. Cryptocurrency can shoot up 100% one day, 100% down in the same day, to the left in the same day, to the right in the same day. Cryptocurrency, you have to strap in and get ready. You can make huge gains in cryptocurrencies, and you can have huge losses in cryptocurrencies in the same day. Again, we always tell people to, maybe put your money in Bitcoin or Ethereum, things that are stable, but even Bitcoin is at the lowest. I mean, it was at 70,000, now it's at 34. I mean, that's 50% less. So that's one of those kind of things that you kind of want to look into. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Let's head back over to Anchor. Over here at Anchor's multi-chain foundation for crypto economy, Anchor is the only platform that combines a node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make developments and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. If you're a crypto investor, you would click right here. Now watch, click it. And right there, earn Anchor liquid staking. Why you should stake with Anchor. You got micro pools, staking managers, staking liquidity and security. So if you're looking for passive income, you may want to stake with Anchor today.
Staking Ethereum presents many barriers: the amount of ETH, the technical demands, and continual node management. Staker removes all of these barriers instantly. Visit staker.io. Click Launch App button. Select Wallet. We support the most commonly used wallets like MetaMask for desktop and Trust Wallet for mobile. Make sure you've selected the Ethereum main network. The slider lets you select anything from 0.5 to however much Ethereum you have in your wallet. Click Stake, and Staker will stake your Ethereum automatically to the nodes with the highest reputation, all decentralized. Unlike other services, your original stake can never be slashed. Stay safe with Staker. Once staked, you will automatically receive AETH tokens, which represent your staked ETH, plus rewards, and are immediately liquid. You can trade them on Uniswap, use them in DeFi protocols, and more. Visit our dashboard daily to see how much rewards you earned. Staker, staking simplified.
All right, so there's how you can make money with Anchor. You can stake your Anchor, make money with Anchor, get your rewards back. Pretty awesome stuff. All right, Anchor right here is down 36%. What's my price prediction? It's at 6 cents right this second. At 6 cents, I honestly think this coin can get back to 8 cents or 9 cents. I mean, that would be a gigantic increase. This is going to be good. Everybody stay calm. All our information is for educational purposes only. But definitely a good time to enter Anchor if you had never got in at a very low 36% down right this second. All right, everybody. I know it's a rough day today on cryptocurrency. Hang in there. All kinds of things going on. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And we'll see you a little bit later on today.